Alright, I think I got a verdict as to why we got Schrader cores leaking so much. So when you're putting your hose or probes on a service port with a Schrader core, you're actually turning that core in there, and then when you're taking your hoses or probes off, you're also turning it. So sometimes I think it's actually being loosened, because whenever I see a leaking Schrader core, I go and tighten it with a nut driver, check again with leak detector and soap bubbles, and that always solves the problem. It's also a really good idea to check, make sure you got an O-ring on a cap, because a lot of people don't know this, but that's actually the primary seal for your service port when you have a Schrader core. It's not, the Schrader core itself is not intended to be the main seal to keep refrigerant from leaking out. So it's really important, make sure you're putting a cap on that has an O-ring in there, because that's going to be the main thing that's going to prevent refrigerant from leaking out. You've got a quart with a quart, a Schrader core.